Never get caught in the rain again in 3 easy steps. This is simple. If you have an iPhone, look here. If you have an Android, you're over here. First, make sure you have the latest version of the Weather Channel app. To make sure, click on your App Store or Google Play Store icon. If the Weather Channel app says open instead of update, you're good. Okay, cool. Now go to the settings on top of your screen. Sign up. Just like this. Tell us where you are so we know where to watch. And turn on weather alerts. Easy. Now the next time it's going to rain, you'll get this. This is the Weather Channel app for iPhone and Android. Your weather personalized.